Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to customize your brush in Photoshop. So this one is kind of helpful when you do side plan or floor plan, something like this. So basically, when you got a floor plan like this, you wanna make it a little bit fancy, wanna put some trees on that, and you have a cat file right over here. So when you put them in, yeah, so normally when you put your trace in, you just drop the file and like copy and paste and rotate the single one, every single one. Yep. And so today I will show you how to make it like make your life more easier. Yes, you can put your trace in, but you need to like do every single one and rotate them. Instead, you just create a new page. You edit this one into your page, and you must remember your page need to be a square sheet. Okay, it shouldn't be rectangle or any L shape. It need to be a square shape. And then you create a white layer at the back, and then merge them together. Go to edit, define brush, define brush preset, and then you can, and now you have a brush of your trees. So you just come back to your floor plan. I delete this one. Go to brush, and now you can see that your trees is plugged into this brush. And what you need to do is just what you need to do. The rest is just use a brush and define your trees. Very easy, right? Yep. Keep doing like that until you finish your file. Can have a library of your brush over here also. Just create day by day, time by time. So later on you can have your library, your assets library of brush. It's kind of easy. For example, I have this one also. This is more lighter. Thank you everyone to watch my channel. Thank you.